Hi guys, how to add non-Steam games to Steam. Now open your Steam client and go to the library tab at the top of the window. This is where all your magic happens. Look at the bottom left corner of the screen, click the plus, add a game button, then select add a non-Steam game from the list. This tiny button is the secret to playing any game through Steam. Steam will show you a list of programs. But here's the mistake most people make. If your game is not listed, don't panic. Just click Browse and find the game's executable file, .exe, on your computer. Check the box next to the games you want to add, then click Add Selected Programs. That's it, you're almost done. Keep watching for the final step. Your game will now appear right inside your Steam library. Click on it and press the play button to launch it. And yes, you can now use Steam's overlay, take screenshots, and even stream it to friends. That's how you add any non-Steam game in under a minute.